A very good morning all of you. So today we'll start exercise 5B question number 3. In question number 3 says arrange the following sets of fraction in descending order. Yesterday we had solved already ascending order, today we'll solve descending order. Now these are like fractions, yes, these are like fraction. All the fractions are like fraction. So we'll write down first of all they are in like fractions. And when like fractions are given, then we can easily find out which is greater fraction, which is smallest fraction, smaller fractions. So 15, 15, 15, 15. So which is the, but in your question says descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. So which fraction is the bigger? That is 13 upon 15. So write down according to descending order 13 upon 15, next 11 upon 15, next 7 upon 15, next 1 upon 15. That is your complete answer. Okay, now comes in question number second, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 6 and 5 upon 8. Here all the fractions are unlike fractions, and in case of unlike fraction, you know we will यूज एलसीएम मेथड. देखो आप कैसे करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक एलसीएम. सो एलसीएम ऑफ all the denominators 4, 6 and 8. What is the LCM of 4, 6 and 8? That is your how many? Yes, 24 is 24. Now write down like this way. I will write here. Okay, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 6 and 5 upon 8. Yesterday also solved like this way. आपको उसके बाद यहाँ पे 24 के साथ कंपेयर करना है. 4 मल्टीप्लाई विथ विच नंबर दैट 24 विल कम. और ऐसे ही बोल सकते हो 24 डिवाइडेड बाई 4. ओके, 24 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 दैट विच नंबर विल कम 6 and 6 will multiply in upper side also. So 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24. Now again 6 multiply with which number that 24 will come, that is 4. So 4 multiply with 6 also, 1 also, and your answer is 4 upon 24. Next 8 multiply with which number that 24 will come, that is 3. 5 multiply with also 3. 15 upon 24. Now 18 upon 24, 4 upon 24, 15 upon 24, 24, 24, 24. Which number is the greater number? Obviously 18. बट 18 अपॉन 24 आपको लेना नहीं है, आपको ओरिजिनल फ्रैक्शन लेना है, दैट इज 3 अपॉन 4. सो वी हैव टू राइट डाउन अकॉर्डिंग टू डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर 3 अपॉन 4. ओके, नेक्स्ट 5 अपॉन 8, नेक्स्ट 1 अपॉन 6. नाउ next question, 4 upon 15, 11 upon 21, 1 upon 7, 2 upon 3. Again take LCM first. LCM of 15, 21, 7 and 3. Okay, if you take LCM, then what is the answer of this LCM? That is your, I think, 105. Yes, okay, 105. Now write down 4 upon 15, 11 upon 21, 1 upon 7 and 2 upon 3. Now 15 multiply with which number that 105 will come. 100%, how many will come? Yes, that is your 7. And 7 multiply with 4 also. So 4 7 is 28. 15 upon 15 multiplied by 7, that is 105. Now 21 multiply with which number that 105 will come, that is 5. And 5 multiply with 11 also. So 11 5 is 55. 21 multiply 5, that is your 105. Now 7 multiply with which number that 105 will come, that is 15. ठीक है, so 15. 15 1 is 15. 15 7 is 105. Next 3 multiply with which number that 100. डायरेक्टली आप डिवाइड कर दो इसको. 115 divided by 3, that is 35. Now 70 upon 105. Now observe that all the denominators are same. That means ये आपका like fraction में convert हो गया. And when like fraction, you know that you have to check numerators. Which numerator is greater? This one. So we can say according to descending order, 70 upon 105, that means 2 upon 3 is the greater fraction. Next, 55 upon 105, that means 11 upon 21 is the next one. 4 upon 15, next one 1 upon 7. So that is your complete answer. I hope all of you understand this, all the questions. Okay, let's come our next question. That is your next question. Okay, so in this question says, very simple question number 4, Ayushri and Ishani, okay, two girls is there, both took the same quiz test. दोनों ने क्या दिया? टेस्ट दिया, quiz test. Ayushri answered 7 upon 8 of the questions correctly and Ishani answered 4 upon 5 of the questions correctly. So who got higher score? तो आप इसको सर बोलोगे सर डिवाइड करना, नहीं डिवाइड नहीं करना है. You know how to compare both fraction, which fraction is the greater. So Ayushri and another Ishani. Ayushri gives correct answer 7 upon 8. Okay. Ishani how many? 4 upon 5. अब कंपेयर करा लो by cross multiplication method. 7 multiply 5, that is your 35, and 8 multiply 4, that is 32. Tell me who gives correct answer, more correct answer? That Ayushri, because 35 is the greater. If 35 is the greater, that means 7 upon 8 is the greater. So you can say Ayushri, very simple question, got a higher score. Okay, so that is your completed question number 4. Now comes in question number 5 in our next video.